What's up, guys? Today I want to tell you how to hook up your 3 sensors really neatly.
Let's get started. This tutorial will show you how to set up your Oculus Rift sensors to achieve a robust 360-degree room scale experience in a tight space without drilling any holes. I will also show you how to hide your wires so your room doesn't look messy. Firstly, I think 3 sensors is the sweet spot for price to performance ratio, but you can still achieve pretty good 360-degree tracking with just 2 sensors. And this tutorial still applies to that as well. Just ignore the second sensor in the diagram. As you can see in the diagram, sensor 1 and 2 are both mounted 7 feet from the floor and around 8 feet apart. The sensors are pointed towards the 6x7 play area. For the first sensor, I don't need an extension. I simply connect it to my PC's front USB and use some small command strips to house the wires. This sensor is mounted to the wall using an ingenious set of 3D printed mounts, which I'll talk about shortly. The second sensor, which is also mounted to the wall, requires a USB 3.0 active extension cable. It's critical you use an active extension USB cable instead of the regular ones. I'll put a link in the description on which USB extender I used. Last but not least, the third sensor is not mounted. It's good to have a mix of high and low sensors. Note how it is only 2 feet from the floor. It simply uses the stand that comes with it. This sensor uses an active USB 2.0 extension that I hide discreetly under my rug. In a 3 sensor setup, one of the 3 sensors can be USB 2.0 connection. When I purchased my third sensor from Amazon, I was pleasantly surprised that it came with a complimentary USB extension cable. So let's talk about the mounts. They are amazing. The creator of this mount is a genius. They're 3D printed and come a pack of 3. It includes command strips that are 2-sided attached by Velcro. Simply stick one side to your wall and the other to your mount. Connect the 2 pieces together and you're done. You've mounted your sensors without drilling any holes or buying large stands. The command strips should also come easily off the walls when it's time to take them down. The mounts allow you to move the sensor from side to side, and the sensor itself can point its head from top to bottom. Combined, you get the perfect angle to point your sensor. I've had these mounted on the wall for over 6 months and they have not moved. I only had to set up my Guardian wall once. Talk about convenience. To keep the wires organized, I use small command strips or tape. And to keep my controllers tucked away, I bought a dual headphone mount that mounts underneath my desk. Lastly, I stole my headset above my PC. So overall, I think this setup kept my OCD in check from seeing wires and was easy to set up. I hope this video inspires you on creating a robust room scale tracking experience. I'll put all the things I use in the description. Enjoy your Oculus Rift and please consider liking or subscribing if this video helped you. See ya.